Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually gonna go to Houston for lunch with my husband's aunt. So I'm just gonna create something cute, simple, you know what I do. So if you wanna see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So yeah, so let's create a quick little look, because I don't know, every time like, you know, we come to record, like, you know, when I know we don't have time, but I really don't have time today. I gotta go because we're driving all the way to Houston. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is Endgame, and put that in my outer corner, or my outer, yeah, my outer V. Outer V, outer corner, same different. And this is a E13 from Morphe. So this eyeshadow palette is really pigmented. Really pigmented. I'm keeping this like a little low. And it blends nicely, which is always good when you know something blend nice, because blending then we have a problem. So this is a T11 from Makeup Shack, and I have no product on here. I'm just gonna go in and just buff the edges real quick. And then back to this, but right now I'm gonna keep this like really low. Really low. No, this look I thought it was like so easy. If I can get some NYX glitter glue, cause you know I have another one. I just don't know where it is, and now I have no time to go look. No time. Just tapping this. No time to go look. And then this is a crown brush. It's just like a flathead brush. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This shade. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. And then I need one more brush. This is a white 217 from Play Makeup by Yolondo. And I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just blend those two shades together. Like right here. A little bit of a darker shade. And then back to that first shade, and then just tighten this up. And then back to that first shimmer shade. And put this here. Perfect. Nice, simple, quick. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So you know, I know I'm gonna get budget for this. I don't know how to say this word. Is it Saie or Saie? S-A-I-E? I don't know. But we'll go and say Saie or Saie. It is the Glowy Super Skin Foundation. It's $40. And I hit their site, but we'll go with that. So it's $40 and I think 36 shades. I don't know, man. This is shade 19. We'll see if that matches. I'm actually using my Tatcha silk canvas. So normally this would match me, but I'm actually just coming from vacation in the Caribbean. And that looks like, you know, it may or may not match. First, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. I'm gonna, like, this, everybody and their mama like test this out. I haven't. I have the one from Charlotte Tilbury and I like it. So let's see if I like this. Let's see if I like this and if this is a dupe, because I think that's what I'm gonna do on my channel. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna try dupes, like dupes eyeshadow, dupe foundation. Oh, this is Glowy, dupe concealer. So this would be a good start, right, to test that out. Ooh, this is Glowy. Man, I can't believe I'm going all the way to Houston to have lunch. Like, this is wild. But she's really sweet. So first, so this is a good match, but this is very watery. Very watery, and the coverage, oh wow, it's very light. But I think the dewiness of that is too much. I don't know. I don't like stuff that dewy. And I think I should have also not used that stuff from e.l.f. because that just makes this even more dewy. Oh, Charlotte, darling. This, I hate this. I hate that idea. I hate that idea. And this is not gonna show up on me. I feel like this is like will be good for a no makeup day. But that day is not today. See, it just disappears. But now I need to go in with my bronzer. This is from Mario. I do not like this, and maybe I shouldn't have put like a dewy concealer on, not concealer, that stuff from e.l.f. because I feel like that just made this so dewy. I don't do dewy very well. Like, this just like stays there, like it just, like everything just sits on top of this. And I'm like, girl, why are you doing this today? When you literally go in like all the time. You know, I was in Dominica and I literally never wore makeup except lipstick. It was so hot and humid the whole time. And then I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, like this one. And I'm just, this is a translucent powder, doesn't have any real. I'm just making sure this, like, don't move. Don't move. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Huda Beauty powder that I, you know, Frankenstein up because it was taking too long to come off, so I cut off the whole thing. Let me tell you, that was a terrible idea. If you have those powders, don't do that. See, like right here, my wig is like lifted. I'm one of these girls, you know, that like scared to be like, oh, I'm wearing a wig. It is what it is, you know. Like, I think back in the day, like wearing wigs used to be like, you know, like taboo. Like people used to be like, oh my god, I'm not wearing a wig or whatever. But no, everybody and their mom literally wearing a wig. So I'm like, who cares, right? Nobody cares. It just it is what it is. It is what it is. So this is actually from my Boxy Charm, and it's just the plum liner. I'm gonna use that to line, and then I'm just gonna buff it with like one shade. Like, Oh, this is a small crease brush apparently from Makeup Geek, but today it's being used for this. What's up with me and this white TY17? And we're gonna go to that light shade that we put up here, and I'm just gonna bring this down actually. I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. This is from my Ultimate Cheekbone brush from Rae Morris, and we're just gonna, I'm actually gonna use the Off to Costa Rica from ABH. Just make sure this, you know, all the good food that I ate in the Caribbean for like 2 weeks is, you know, slightly chiseled down, you know. I'm gonna use this House Labs. I'm gonna just a little bit, like nothing crazy, just here. Let's go in and brush that up. I'm gonna use this Insane Pink blush from House Labs. Yeah, I've never really been like a huge blush person, but I feel like now I'm getting a little bit into it, but I'm still like, I still don't want it crazy. It makes me nervous whenever I start to go like wild with it. Yes, so I go a little bit heavy, but it's fine. I buff it up a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use Exhilarate highlighter from Rare Beauty. Ooh. Okay, girl. She and these highlighters, they're like, she did not come to play. Okay, so to line my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use this from Makeup Forever. It is, I think it's like Free Burgundy. I'm packing a little, you know, goodie bag to go with me to Houston. So if you guys see me bending like over and over, that's what I'm doing, because I need to put stuff in here. So this is Dragon Girl from NARS. So it's on the bright side, but that's what I'm going for. Not too bright, but see, like this will be like really cute whenever I, you know, fix it up. But no, not so much, because I have some lifts. But we'll fix it, you know, we'll fix it. Look, I wanted volume, but I think I got a little bit too much volume. So that's it, guys, for this video. I had fun. I mean, yeah, I did have fun. I haven't recorded in a minute, so yeah. I had fun. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video.